Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on disabling the interior alarm on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Disabling the interior alarm is something you are often required to do when travelling on a car ferry. You may be wondering, how on earth do I disable the interior alarm? Don't worry, I will show you how to do it in a few short steps. You disable the interior alarm with the key when you are locking the car. What you need to do is press the lock button once, then hold down the lock button within 2 seconds. You will see that the wing mirror will flash an extra time when the mirror is closed, to confirm that the interior alarm is switched off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.